Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can open multiple Roblox games at once. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for multiple game instance download. Open this website present at the top and download it. After downloading it, run it and get back to your browser. Open the Roblox website and launch any game. Now log out of your account on the browser and log in another account. Now open the game you want to play simultaneously and launch it. You can see that both of the games are now playing side by side. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.